What's going on, guys? It's GBP baby. Welcome to another video. It's currently 4:22 a.m. I'm not gonna lie, I was celebrating Halloween tonight, so that's why it's 4:20 a.m. and I'm a little bit waved right now, but I'm gonna get straight into my analysis. So this is a DXY. I'm expecting higher prices. If you've been watching this week's videos, you'll know that. I've got my eyes on this candle here. This is a bearish order block. I'm going to draw that out like this, 4 hour. If it goes to the daily, we traded higher just as expected. But if we drop down to the 4 hour, this candle now should act as support. Why? We've traded through it on the upside. We can draw out the 50% level. Now price should show support in this tomorrow. Why? FOMC. I'm expecting to draw up to this buy side liquidity. I'm going to keep this video very short because I am considerably waved right now. But see, we traded higher, took out this high. This is the bearish order block. It's now bullish because we traded through on the upside. So I want to see this provide support. That's literally it, guys. That's literally it. We can trade through it, whatever, blah, 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 blah. But overall, I'd like to see us come down, create the low of the day, and then trade higher with FOMC and then news releases. Now, I'm not going to put all my money in it. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. But generally speaking, that's what I'm expecting. The lowest I'd want to see price trade overall would be the 50% level of this bullish order block. Whoops. Sorry, guys. Right, 50% of this order block. Let me just move that up to 400. 384. Let me just move that down. So this is the very lowest. This is the very lowest I'd expect price to trade to. But overall, I want to see us come down, take out these stops, stay within this range, low to high, low, break. I'd like to see us stay in this range. We can trade down to this low if we need to, but overall, I'm expecting to run up to this buy side liquidity residing up here. But I'd like to think that we can make the low here. So as soon as we trade below this low, that would offer us buys in DXY. That's all I'm going to say. Wow, let's quickly go to GBP. We might as well. GBP done as exactly as expected. Traded up 50% level, came down, took out this low, beautiful. See, we're consolidating. This candle now, bearish order block. Mark out 50% of that. Now I expect this to continue to act as resistance, so we can trade up, we can wick, we can whatever, blah 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 blah. But I want to see us continue to find resistance here. And where do I want to see a push down to? I want to see us reach for south side liquidity below this low here. And below this low here. So overall I'm still bearish. There's nothing's changed, guys. Go watch yesterday's video, go watch Monday's video, go and watch Sunday's video, and you'll see everything I'm explaining right now. Same on EUR USD as well. Let's go to the daily here. You can see how we wicked up, traded, came lower. I want to see continued push to the downside. We can look at let's delete everything. We can look at the 50% level of this as well. Go to the 1 hour. We can wick above it. We can come up. I think that would come above this swing high here. Come up, grab those stops. Use that where run into these lows, and this south side liquidity resting below there. Now it is FOMC, so I can't be 100% sure, but I'm pretty confident that we're likely going to push lower. I don't know though. We're just speculating, aren't we, guys? That's going to be everything from me. Thanks for watching. This has been GBP baby, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.